Hey, what's up guys, Amlan here. Today in this video I'm gonna show you the Apple official iOS 13 update on my iPhone XR. Yes, so this is an iPhone XR, and as per the Apple officially said earlier that September 19th we're gonna get the update. I'm gonna show you the time. As you can see, it's 10:56 p.m. night and it's the 19th September. As you can see the date over here. So I just went to the settings to check whether the update is available or not, and when I click on general and software updates, as you can see, when I click on software updates, it's checking for the update. And as you can see, this is iOS 13 and the size is 2.4 GB. So it's kind of like I have to download and install. So I just wanted to show you guys that this is on a Thursday night, 19th of September. As earlier promised by Apple, they would be releasing the iOS 13 update on across all the devices starting from iPhone 6s. So this is an iPhone XR. I would be installing this update, so let me just click on download and install. So it is asking for the phone passcode, so okay, so it will now download the update, and as you can see here it says to kind of agree all this stuff. So let me click on agree. So once I click on agree, it's showing the estimated time remaining. It's like kind of started downloading and it's update requested, so it will get updated. I wanted to tell you guys that this is a September 19th and I just started receiving the update of iOS 13, and as you can see it's showing about 42 minutes remaining. So this is a live update guys. If you have an iPhone XR or iPhone 10, 10s Max, or any iPhone starting from 6, 6s, go to your settings, check the update. You probably would have got the update. So this video I would be publishing right now, so I'm just gonna end this video now, and in my future videos, once I install the update, I will be showing you how it is performing on my iPhone XR, and also there would be future videos on my channel discussing on the new features of iOS 13 and how it is performing on iPhone XR. So if you like the video, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, and also till now if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing to this channel because many more videos like this are coming up on my channel. With that being said, you guys have a great day. Bye bye.